Das Wochenende kommt. Mini dialogue trainer number 1, focusing on the verb spielen. So we're approaching the weekend and you want to be able to talk to your friends in German about what you're doing. That's the purpose of this video series. So our focus verb right now is spielen. Go ahead and record that in your notebook. The verb spielen means to play. We're going to consider weekends, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we're going to cover 3 questions that are very repetitive, asking nearly the same question for each day of the week and slightly varying our answers. This is going to allow us to practice the verb spielen multiple times, as well as get better with our word placement regarding time management, time, order, place in German. So let's write down our first question. Was spielst du am Freitag? This means, what are you playing Friday? If you need more time, go ahead and pause this video to write your notes. Here's a sample answer. You should record the sample answer so you have something to model your own answer against. This answer is, Ich spiele am Freitag Musik. I play on Friday music. Something important to point out is that in German, time is going to be toward the front of the thought. It's either going to be in first position or in the third position. What do I mean by time? I mean am Freitag, on Friday, has to be either in the beginning of the sentence or after your verb. Germans are very particular about the placement of time statements. We'll keep working on that in further episodes. Here's our second question. Please write this one down as well. Was spielst du am Samstag? What are you playing Saturday? A sample answer is, Ich spiele am Samstag Fußball. I play on Saturday soccer. It's a little different word formulation than we're used to in English, so it's important to get used to that right away. Again, notice that the time is following the verb. It would be okay to put the time in the first position if you wanted to. Am Samstag spiele ich Fußball. For right now, though, we're just going to focus on this one. Our third question for today is, Was spielst du am Sonntag? What are you playing Sunday? A sample answer would be, Ich spiele am Sonntag Karten. Ich spiele am Sonntag Karten. So basically, when you're talking about things that you're playing on days of the week, you're writing it out, and then this is almost kind of like a blank. You're filling in the item that you're playing at the end of your thought. Du bist daran. So it's your turn now. You want to practice this conversation with 5 other people. But before we do that, let's prepare our own answers to these questions. Was spielst du am Freitag? Was spielst du am Samstag? Was spielst du am Sonntag? And it's important that we're able to say these sentences too, for these questions. So why don't you go ahead and repeat them after me now. Was spielst du am Freitag? Notice that there is a brief rolling of the R in Freitag. Another way to remember how to say Freitag is that in German, when I and E go walkin', the second one does the talkin'. So as we can see in Freitag, it is the I sound that we hear. So we know we want to say Freitag. Number 2, repeat it after me, please. Was spielst du am Samstag? And number 3, repeat it after me, please. Was spielst du am Sonntag? So at this time, you can pause the video and take a little time to write out your answers. Remember, treat the end of your sample answers as if they were a blank. Get out your German dictionaries and look up the objects that you need to talk about in order to play. Were you playing piano? Are you going to play hockey. What are you going to be playing this weekend? So go ahead and pause the video while you do that. Okay, now that you've had some time to formulate your answers, I'd like you to seek out 5 people to have this conversation with. When you meet up with a person, go ahead and introduce yourself in German, like you've never seen them before in your life. Start out with, Guten Tag, wie heißt du? Oh, ich heiße, and then go back, let them say greeting to you, let them ask you your name, and then go ahead and proceed to these other questions, taking time to both ask and answer questions with your partner. After you're done having a conversation with your first person, rotate through to another person until you've talked to 5 different people. By then, you should have this simple dialogue memorized. Viel Glück, and thanks for watching.